Hi guys, first and foremost, Barrett Real Estate has been amazing. Second of all, I am a brand new agent, so I need help in all departments. I need someone to hold my hand from A to Z. And when I signed up with Barrett Real Estate, they offered me a mentorship program. It said yes to that, and yesterday I met with Faisal and he is amazing. Today was the very first day really learning anything, and I learned so much. He has so much valuable information in his brain. It's amazing. Today we were able to go to a bunch of homes that I signed up for the viewing times. We walked through it, we role played. I was the buyer, I was the agent, he was as well, and then kind of gave me tips and tricks on things to say and not to say. And then I was lucky enough to walk with him. He had a client, he did a buyer consultation, so I was able to see in real life with real life clients kind of how everything works. If you are wondering if you should do the mentorship program or not, I highly recommend it. You will not be disappointed.